Guys, I am so irritated. So, well, I finished my business and I got up. एक चीज बाकी रह गई है. So, Lego. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, first go subscribe. We are at the airport. We're going to Georgia for my best friend's wedding. She's getting married. She's very old. I'm very young. You all know that. Next
Literally
up,
6 months difference.
it's okay. Don't tell that to them. Okay. We have Nikki here. It's gonna get lit. We're waiting for the others. We're gonna check in, and then we're gonna fly to Georgia. My first, I forgot how to speak English. My first holiday, yeah, my first international trip after years, and my first break in 4 years. So I'm super excited, and all thanks to her. Okay, bye. See you all. So Raj's friends got us our t-shirts. We are in love. This is too exciting. This is it. So this is Nida's shirt. I got one. Raj, what's yours? I tried to run. Did you want to run, Raj?
Can't anymore.
Hey guys, we're in Kerala. Look at the. We're in Kerala. Welcome Nida. Welcome Nikki. Finally in our room. It's like a hostel. मतलब शुरू होते ही खत्म हो जाता है. But this is some storage with a curtain, and that's the washroom. Guys, so I'm filling my lota right now for the jet spray to work. मैं लोटा भर रही हूँ guys. क्या क्या करना पड़ता है यूरोप आके. Okay guys, I finally set it up, and I'm gonna try if it works. It's working. Guys, I am so irritated and I'm shook. I paid 145 dirhams for this jet spray, and so well, I finished my business and I got up. And I realized, so मैंने एक knob देखा next to the pot. I'm like, why is there a knob when there's no? So that's the knob right there. And then I saw, can you see the thing in the middle?
Showing your skid marks to your fucking fans, bro.
There are no marks, okay? I'm an extremely clean pooper. Guys, I'm so annoyed, but I'm glad कि पानी है. But मेरा इतना पैसा गया इसमें, मतलब मुझे कहीं और सिटी में जाना पड़ेगा यूरोप के इसका पैसा वसूल करने के लिए. Not even kidding. And now we're just walking, exploring the whole place, trying to find some lunch, and yeah.
What's it called?
What is this called? Kinkali. Kinkali. I don't even know how to break it.
Just eat it with your mouth.
Okay, eat it with. There's such moms, they're forcing me to eat it. I don't like trying new foods. Okay. The word bhar? Are you stupid? Isn't bhar meja?
It's like momo.
She's making content. I've never had momos. Okay, it's nice. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I don't like it.
The real Nidhi Kumar dance.
Please, I don't stop it. Okay, Nikki, what is high?
Note of these things last
My
time.
high is Magarjoba.
Gamarjoba.
Gamarjoba. Magarjoba. अरे बोलो जय माता दी. मैं नहीं सुनया. My God, बहुत ही ज़्यादा चढ़ाव है अभी. We're going to a new place, and it's absolutely crazy. This is how high we are. Everyone's tired. We need to go there. This is worth it. बहुत ही स्लो चल रहा है गाइस. बहुत स्लो है. You want to stand up, take some pictures? You can. मेरे पल माँ प्यारा लगे सरकाए ले ओ खटिया छाड़ा. Okay. I'm done. After the Chadawa, now we are entering the Bridge of Peace, which is also one of the most famous bridges in Georgia. Nikki and Nidhi's expeditions. Lego. pasta is the only thing I eat. And it is probably the worst pasta I've ever had. Just by the way. Okay guys, so we, Nikki and I, we are at this lounge. So everything is shut in Georgia right now. And the curtains are closed. And we are here still.
We have to whisper and talk.
Yeah.
Like whisper as in like very softly.
Because we are technically not supposed to be here.
And if the cops catch us, then we all get fined.
Yes, and so our first night is getting pretty lit too quick. Guys, we're quietly leaving. Same here. Guys, we met the cutest guys. They were like 21, 22-year-olds.
Yeah.
And they literally waited for us. It's like, what, 1:30 a.m. And they waited for us till we got the cab. We sat in it and we had so much fun.
I know, they were so nice, right?
They were so
And
nice.
we were all singing together and
Yeah.
we were like cheersing throughout.
It was-
And this is also shout out to the Filipino gang. If
Filipino
they're
gang.
listening
If
to
they're
us.
listening
From Qatar Airways.
from Qatar Airways,
They were so
amazing.
nice.
And they got married. Like one couple, they just got married today. Congratulations and thank you. It was such a lit night, dude. Unexpected. Just the two of us. We got out. Everyone else is sleeping, by the way. We got lit. Day 2. So we got very late because हमारी Nikki meeting कर रही थी room में and then all left and because of that we got extremely late. Thanks Nikki for that. And now we're just हम बिल्कुल ही अकेले पड़ गए थे. And then Nikki's friends came to our rescue and now we are going with them.
You gotta feature them in your grandma.
Should I? I mean, is that okay?
Will you guys sue her later for...
No, then I can't. Then I'm not gonna show them. Okay, so I'm just gonna say their names. I'm not gonna show their face because they can sue me. Mursaleen and Raja. And and yeah, so now we're with them. We're going to Gadori and I'll show you guys how it looks. Guys, this was the sign. It said no entry, but we were just planning to go inside. And look at us. We're just here doing things where we're not supposed to be. And then we paved the way for them also to come in. Guys, now we're leaving because I think they'll catch us. We got to jump. There's another spot on the way to Gadori. So these are two rivers meeting. Can you? That is so sick. Oh my god. Photo sesh. Hi George.
At least I did it my way. That way.
This is like a street market thing and we have to go there on top. That's like the Gadori panorama. I'm so excited.
So guys, what's up? What's life?
बस कर दो कितना खाओगी?
Aren't you on a diet? Aren't you gymming? You're not supposed to be.
I'm the one walking around
Send
here.
it to her. What's her trainer?
Guys,
Be like
I'm
he's coming back on
Hi
Sunday.
Dave, if you're watching this.
Dave, you know what to do to her
Guys,
next time in the
corn is
gym.
so amazing. Love it.
No, real gold? No.
You have the same one.
It's original, bro. It's original Ray-Ban. This is some gold. This is gold plated.
Guys, it's freezing. It's freezing. That is our view. And right in the guys, it's drizzling now. Oh my god. What a weather. Guys, it's raining like crazy. Okay, hello. Guys, he locked us out. He locked us. सरदारनी शुरू हो गई.
I need to send a snap to
कटे देना चलेगी, कटीरे देना चलेगी, कटे देना चलेगी, कटीरे देना चलेगी. चले आते चक्कू तो कटे चलती बोलो तारा. Hey, the night before.
Beautiful today.
The night before her wedding. Gorgeous, and you look at the groom, so sexy. What?
He was like,
Guys, because all three of us are wearing the same clothes, so the guy just thought that Saad was our collective husband. Muslim in Dubai, he probably thought your vibe. Yeah, I know, right? After wedding vibes. Look at the bride. Post exhaustion. Hi. Hi. Fist bump. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dubai baby. Sharma life.
So guys, we are flying back day after tomorrow and we have to take a PCR test. So the PCR test over here in Georgia, they like send it to the room and that is so cool. Thank you. Thank you. Anytime you give her a hand, she will either give it to you or she'll give this one. Baby. Guys, I want to get back home. So guys, we're doing our first tour today and we're with the Shilla. We're going for wine tasting, which is something that I would never do, but I'm excited.
Both our names are so high. I'm with this group. This is my fiance.
Oh!
These are my childhood friends. So I'm here to get drunk and party.
We're trying the sort of a national drink of Georgia called Cha-Cha. And it's apparently super strong and no way in hell am I gonna do it because it's so bad.
Guys, we do it in Georgian way. Do you remember from the morning? Kaumar, Jos, Josti? Yeah. Remember that? One guy. Would you like to shout it out? Kaumar. 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 We're gonna go Jos. Just go ahead. Jos. Jos. May your modestness have put the
I got no, stop it. That's number 2. This is so hilarious. Guys, so it's extremely chilly here and all of this is done by natural temperatures. There's no AC, nothing. So we are literally in the middle of a mountain right now, 2,000 meters above sea level. So yeah, and now we're going for the wine tasting.
It's making sweet, right? So for the trip, for today, for the friends, for the guests, Kaumar,
Joes!
Kaumar,
Joes!
Kaumar,
Joes! Cheers! We're sitting outside the wine.
My God, I look like shit.
And we were just having this conversation about already, it's just been 5 days for all of us and we're just having a conversation of what all we miss already in Dubai. So I miss my car and Saad has been talking about it throughout. Saad, you miss your car?
I love my
It's only been 5 days,
I
Saad.
miss AC in my room. AC in the mall. AC.
Yeah, cold AC.
Cold AC in the room while sleeping. And
Yeah.
AC in the car.
AC in the car and like, dude, we're such
Smooth
like
roads. I know, right?
We're
We're
such
like princesses.
I
Dubai
swear, such
princesses.
Dubai princess, like concrete jungle vibes.
Yeah.
My God.
I miss Jumeirah. I miss fake people, you know.
Going back home, extremely excited. We're sitting at the lounge right now. इतना घटिया खाना guys, मैं एक चीज़ नहीं मिस करूँगी वो है खाना क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल हो गई थी क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता है कि मैं ज़्यादा कुछ खाती नहीं हूँ मैं वही चीज़ें खाती रहती हूँ बार बार सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट लाइक मी बीइंग पिकी इट्स जस्ट दैट आई हैव अ रूटीन सेट एंड आई जस्ट ईट दोज थिंग्स और यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं मतलब इट वाज बैड तो मैंने आई थिंक सिर्फ एक ही बार अच्छा खाना खाया होगा बाकी पूरा टाइम या तो चिप्स या तो कुछ ना कुछ नॉनसेंस but everything else I'll really miss. It was a crazy trip and more I will talk to you all after, but let's go home. Big day tomorrow. And we are back in Dubai. And I'm back home, as you can see, we're back. What a trip, what memories, getting my best friend married, my childhood best friend. We've been together for like 13, 14 years, all of us, and super emotional, but also super fun. It was also our first trip in 13, 14 years, so you can imagine how special it was for all of us.
a lot of things happened. You all saw, went to so many places. The whole point was that I was so relaxed, and you all know my jaw has been hurting because of stress, right? And एक भी दिन मेरा jaw hurt नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे. Can you imagine? When I saw that, I'm just like, Nidhi, what are you doing? Like, I was so relaxed, I was so calm, I was enjoying, I wasn't thinking about work. I was like, I needed it. Now coming to a few fun things that happened, जो obviously मैं document नहीं कर पाई, but we went to this karaoke bar one of the nights. I don't know if you all saw my story where we were singing with random people. So those boys, there was this group of boys, very sweet, and very, very young, okay, very young. But one of them was like a little older, maybe like 24 or whatever. And they were so sweet to us. They literally, Nikki and I were alone, so they were so sweet. They dropped us to they waited at 1 a.m. because you two alone girls till we go to our cab and stuff. And the next day they were like, hey, that one guy, the one older guy texted me on Snapchat and says, hey, why don't you join us again? I was like, no, it's my friend's wedding tomorrow, so can't. And then he's like, no, come, we have drinks. I was like, I don't drink. And then I sent him a voice note. I'm like, babe, it's my best friend's wedding tomorrow, so can't make it. Then he's like, I wish you were here. If you were here, I will kiss you. And I'm just like, block, like, honey, relax. Yuck. And then the second thing, I fell in love with an 18-year-old boy. See the photo. Okay, so now that you've seen the photo, that guy's name is Nick. He works at Cha Cha Time. And he is amazing. I had a crush on him. Like, I'm not even kidding. I sound like very, very bad right now, but I was like, dude, he is so cute. In like, I'm not even talking about physical. Physical, yeah, obviously he's cute, but like, just the way he talks, the way he is. And I was just like, Nidhi, what are you doing? You're 25 years old. And then our last night there, which was yesterday, all of us went back there again because we all wanted to see him again, and I also wanted to see him. And then while we were leaving, he's like, everyone was hugging him and I didn't want to hug him because I was like really upset. Like, I didn't want to leave. He's so cute, he was. Like, I was so upset, you know. I really wanted to spend more time with all of us there at Cha Cha. And everybody was hugging bye, and then he looks at me and he's just like, are you not gonna hug me? And I'm just like, he specifically told me that. I'm just like, and then we hugged. So cute. Nick, if you ever see this, I don't know if you will. Hi. But yeah, jokes apart, what an amazing town, Georgia, must visit. And yeah, so these are some nice gossipy things that happened. And yeah, the rest you've all seen already. And can't wait for my next vlog to come out. This was a good break. Let's get back to work now. Bye. Also, I just came back to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Nidhi Kumar Dance, on Snapchat, Nidhi Kumar. That's it. Okay, bye. Nidhi Kumar signing off. Oh, I forgot that too. I'm actually tired. I need to go to sleep.